Hey everybody, Jason here with a quick Photoshop 22 preferences tutorial. So as you can see, I put together a quick layout here, and this layout is so that I can swap out logos for multiple offices, right? So when I bring up the transform tools to something like this, where some logos are fatter, some logos are skinnier, longer, more vertical, more horizontal, whatever. But when I transform this text here in this manner, you'll notice that transform box that's coming up that shows the width and height, and it changes as I move the transform box. Well, I don't like it there. I think that's super annoying. It covers up some of the text that I'm trying to match up to this logo here. See how that blocks that? I really don't like that. Well, yes, I could grab it down here at this corner and it moves where that tooltip, that transform box pops up. However, there's something in the Photoshop preferences that you can control in the tools. So if you go Photoshop, Preferences, Tools, now this is on Mac, so if you're on PC, it'd be slightly different. But if you go down here to Tools, so you got General, Interface, Workspace, Tools, Show Transformation Values. You can actually change the location of where those values come up. So you could set it to never, which means when you go and you do a transformation box, it's not going to come up at all. So you can totally remove it if you want to, or you can just simply change the location where those values come up. So I go from, say, top right to bottom left, right? Go the opposite direction. Select this layer, transform box. There's my information, but it's outside of the box itself and not in the way. But I can still see those width and height numbers if I need them. So that's the quick tutorial. I hope this helps you guys. This was super annoying for me when I couldn't figure out how to do this. So when I figured out how to change it, I wanted to share it with everyone. Hopefully I'll be able to do some more tips. So if you like this one, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I will create a playlist that will be all Adobe tutorials. All right, see you next time.